Hello, and welcome to Candler School of Theology at Emory University. This video is an introduction to using our Smart Room classroom system. If you should still have questions after viewing this video, there are complete manuals stored inside the console in each classroom. If needed, touch the Crestron control panel to wake it up, then touch Press Here to power up AV system. Then enter the 4-digit passcode and press Enter to start the system. You will have been given this passcode when your room schedule was confirmed. Also, keep in mind that if you have a Saturday or Sunday event, there is a different code for the weekends that will unlock the cabinets and relock them at shutdown as a security measure. In dual screen rooms, the startup choices are left screen startup, right screen startup, dual screen startup, and audio only startup. The left and right screen designations refer to the view a student would see while sitting in the classroom. The audio startup allows you to play any audio source without starting up the video projectors. In a single projector room, the startup choices are projector startup and audio-only startup. In dual projector rooms, each screen can display independent sources. For example, the desktop PC and the document camera on different screens. The default at startup is computer dual monitor, but you can choose the document camera or any other source on either screen, as shown here. The accessory well on top of the console provides for additional connections. Here we see a USB port for connection to a USB drive. There are additional USB ports on the side of the video monitors and on the front of the computer inside the console. There are also 2 AC outlets and RCA auxiliary inputs, and the yellow network cable for connection to Emory's Internet. The laptop connection is a 15-pin VGA connector with a mini audio jack to connect to the headphone plug for audio output. Make sure the audio on your laptop is turned up, and turn up the volume on the Crestron room controller to at least halfway or more, or you may not hear any sound. Some rooms may have the newer HDMI connection for video output. If you have a Macintosh laptop, you will need the correct adapter to connect your video output to the VGA cable. The document camera is located behind a door on the side of the cabinet. Slide the tray out fully and be sure to use the handle on the arm to raise and lower the projector head. There is a small preview screen on the tray to assist in placing the document correctly. Each room also includes the ability to play DVDs and, in most rooms, VHS videos. Open the cabinet to access the player and load your disc. For DVD playback, it is important to note the DVD Full Control button. This takes you to another screen which allows you to access the control menus for DVDs. This is an important time saver when you need to queue up a specific chapter of a DVD. There is a picture mute function which momentarily interrupts the video output to the projector. It is important to note that this does not shut the projector down and should never be used as a substitute for the room shutdown function. As always, if you're leaving the system for more than a few moments, be sure to use room shutdown. If you should need to change your screen setup from dual screen to single screen or vice versa during your session, this is done using the Change System Mode control. Press Room Shutdown, then change System Mode. Here we're going from dual screen to left screen only. The system will go through its startup routine again and be ready in about a minute. It's important to use Change System Mode and not leave the projector in picture mute mode for extended periods of time, since this can lead to projectors being overheated and lamps burning out prematurely. And as always, be sure to use Room Shutdown at the end of your session to prolong the life of the projection system.